Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what you can see that the price of silver is moving currently upside, and I have already told you in my previous video that it is making a cup pattern, so probability of going higher is very high. Okay, you can check my previous video where I have told that the pattern is forming and the probability of going towards high is high. Okay, so now we have seen that the price is moving around 23.625. Suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 23.52, then it can go to a level of 23.858. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is silver is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart, what we can see in the next 2 days. See, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go to a level of 23.690, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 23.914, and these levels are already tested here. So chances of going towards high, that is around 24.251 is high, so probability it can touch this level, and if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 24.588. And if the price sustain above this level, and these levels are already tested here, okay, so probability if it goes above a level of 24.644, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 24.812, and these levels are already tested here, so chances of going towards 25.205 is high. So once if it comes close to this level, then we can see a level of 25.375, and these levels are already tested here, so probability of going towards 26.047 is high. If the price sustain over this level, then we can see it can go towards a level of 26.496, and from there we can see a level of 26.776. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 23.465, because this level is a strong support, and if it sustain this level, then we can see a bounce back from this level. But suppose if the price didn't if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go fall further to a level of 23.129, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 22.792. okay, suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 22.680, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go fall further to a level of 22.511. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.175, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22, and once if it comes close to a level of 22.118, these levels are already tested here, so chances of going towards 21.501 is very high, and these levels are already tested here, so we can see further fall in the price of silver and can touch a level of 19.930, and I have already told you that if the price goes below a level of 22.455, probability of going towards low is very high. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have already told you that. Now understand one thing: if you are trading with $10,000, you should always trade with 10 to 15% per trade, or you can minimize it. If you are a beginner, if you are advanced, you can increase your risk size, and your risk should be 0.5 to 1%. okay, suppose if you trade 5 times and you lost 3 times, so you know the loss, the risk management. okay, so in the next 2 you can make a big profit. Understand one thing: if you are minimizing your loss, you can maximize your profit. Otherwise, then there will be a problem. If you trade with full of the capital, then the chances of losing full capital is very high. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it.